Hi, I'm Jenny Spinner of foodproductiondaily.com, and I'm here at Process Expo with DWyman of Mettler Toledo. We're standing in front of the 3300 series. Could you tell me a little bit about what makes this system unique?
I sure can for a little bit. This is a machine that's an entry-level machine, something that we have had under development now for about a year to a year and a half. Mettler Toledo has developed a reputation and a knowledge base within the domestic marketplace. A lot of systems that are very high level of detection, very harsh environments, very unusual applications. What we found over time is that many customers have a need to just do a single lane, simple machine, do a great job of contaminant detection, possibly also weigh the equipment, but they really don't have the money to spend an awful lot of money for the machines.
Right.
So what this machine is to do, we've designed this machine so it's sort of what you see you get. The same length, it comes with a reject bin. It does full contamination inspective. There is nothing being sacrificed on inspection. We're doing all the full algorithms on analyzing every one of the images. Where we get our cost savings is by making many of the same thing over and over again. It's designed for a dry or a low pressure washdown world. So the product would enter into this end of the machine, pass through, we capture an image, analyze that image, reject it if there's something there that's not supposed to be. One of the key features of this piece of equipment is we've done a lot of development on the X-ray generator and detector end. The detector that we're utilizing here is, I'll just say, a special detector for the time being that collects energy much more efficiently than detectors of the past and what are generally used. For that reason, we're able to use an X-ray generator that's only 20 watts. Most systems are 100 to 300 watt systems. When an X-ray machine is running, one of the more costly aspects of it is the generator itself. What causes some problems sometimes is heating of those generators, so they have to be air conditioned, cooled. Being only a 20 watt system, we don't need to cool. We expect much longer lifetime than we see on other ones. Currently, we're about 7 years mean time between failure on the higher wattage. We expect this one to be much better than that even.
I understand this is a fairly new system. It's with a few clients in the field, is that correct?
Yes, we've been a little over a year in development. One of the things that we are a relatively cautious company when it comes to introducing something new. When we have a market base like as we do, we don't want to put something out there that's kind of unproven. So we've been beta, alpha testing, whatever you want to call here now, for probably close to a year now between Europe and here in the United States. Over the past few months, we've put about a dozen of these machines out. Things are going very, very nicely. Now we're quite confident that we have something that's reliable for the customer base and are ready to put this out there.
We're on day 2 of the show, so you've had a full day yesterday to talk to customers and clients about their concerns. What are some of the questions and concerns they brought to you?
It really kind of depends upon the different marketplaces, what concerns folks. But when we come to this sort of a machine and where it applies, it really is down to most people feel like the machines are way too expensive for them to buy. And if they spend a lot less, they're going to suffer something in how it detects. That's really what we're addressing here. Overall, the industry seems to be pretty strong. Even on Sunday, we had like 73 different leads. So
it was crazy,
a good start for us.
That's good. That's good. Well, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. It was nice meeting with you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. I'm Jenny Spinner from foodproductiondaily.com.